Welcome back to my class. In today's class, we will learn a new tihai in Drut Teen Tal. You have already know that in tihai, we repeat one section for thrice, and we will describe this section as palla. There are 3 palla in a tihai, and in this tihai, the palla is theita, 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 tha, theita, thei, 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 tat, tat, ta. Ek, do, teen. We will repeat it again, but in third palla, we will not say this ek, do, teen. This is actually the gap between 3 palla. Okay. So, the tihai will be like that. Dha, din, dha, dha. Din, dha, na, tin, na, te, din, dha, theita, 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 ta, theita, thei, 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 tat, tat, ta, ek, do, tin, theita, 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 ta, theita, thei, 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 tat, tat, ta, ek, do, tin, theita, 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 ta, theita, thei, 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 tat, tat, ta. Now, we will learn how to do that. So the footwork for theita, 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 theita is like that. First we will use our right foot as usual. So just like ghene dha, in ghene dha we use ghene dha. So in theita, you can use theita or you can use theita. Okay. If you are uncomfortable with that, because you have to do theita in so much speed, and if you are a beginner, first you can try just theita. After that you can try theita. Okay, tilt, hill, flat, theita. For first time you can just use theita. We will keep our hand in naman position, and the footwork will be theita, 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 theita. Okay. For 4 times. After that, ta, theita, theita. Theita, 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 ta, theita, theita, thei, thei, tat, tat, ta. So, theita, 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 theita. After that, ta, theita, theita. Ta, theita, theita. Flat, 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 flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. After that comes thei, thei, tat, tat, ta. In thei, thei, tat, tat, ta, either you can do simple flat fit, which is thei, thei, tat, tat, ta, or you can also do thei, thei, tat, tat, ta. Thei, thei, tat, tat. Thei, 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 thei. 2 thoker. Tat. 1 hill. Tat. Tilt and ta. Thei, thei, tat, tat, ta. Okay, you can use both foot postures or any one. And we will repeat the same thing with our left feet in second palla, and after that in third palla, instead of using just one side like theita, theita, theita or theita, theita, we will do it in alternative manner. Theita, 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 and the remaining thing will be same. For this tihai, I prefer to use thei, thei, tat, tat, ta. Okay, instead of thei, thei, tat, tat, ta. You can also use like thei, thei, tat, tat, ta if you want. I am showing it with this posture in hasta, and in footwork I will use plain flat foot with a lasya padabhangima. So I will show it in a slow pace. First we'll start with naman posture, and we'll do theita, 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 ta, theita, thei, 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 tat, tat, ta. Simple. And in ek, do, teen, we will take a chakkar with a jalabhramari. Ek, do, teen. This is a one-step chakkar. Ek, do, teen. And in second palla, we will do theita, 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 ta, theita, thei, 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 tat, tat, ta, ek, do, teen, or you can also do ek, do, teen. Okay, and in third section. In third palla, we will do theta, 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 theta. Ta, theta, theta. Theta, theta, ta, ta. If you are facing any difficulty to do theta, 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 theta in second palla, from left side like that, you can avoid this. You can do the same thing with your right side. So I will choose the easier manner because I'm presuming that you are a beginner, you are a new learner. Now I will show a demo.
Tha, din, din, tha, tha, din, din, tha, tha, din, din, tha, din, 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 tha, theta, 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 ta, theta, theta, ta, ta, do, din, theta, 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 ta, theta, theta, ta, ta, do, din, theta, 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 ta, theta, ta, ta.
If you are new in my channel, you can check my playlist of previous lessons. There is so many playlists of hastaks, chakkars, padabhangima. Please check this, and after that it will be easier for you. And every Sunday I upload a new lesson for you. So please stay connected with us, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you. Namaskar.